Hey guys, DJ B here. Today we have a DDJ SZ2. Basically, have an issue with this fader, right? This the mag fader that comes with it. This thing is having issues. So the problem is you can't find one of these from Pioneer right now. Everything's out of stock, impossible to get, right? Even if you do find one used or whatever, it's very expensive. So the best solution right now is to get one of these Inno Fader, right? Check it out. They're pretty inexpensive. Paid about $125 for this, which is cheaper than the $150 to $200 that they want for one of these. And apparently this is a little better, right? And it's made to work in so many different mixers. So right now I just set up the jumper accordingly. So we're gonna do the test. I have it plugged, and if I get a red light, that means I need to reverse the cable. So that's how the instructions are. Okay, so right now I'm gonna turn on the power. Power has been turned on, mixer is on, and boom, I got the green light. Green light, according to the instructions, is good. So now I'm ready to move on to the next step, which is move the jumper on the left. So this jumper is going to move to the left, and now my mixer is ready to be used. So we're going to do a test right now for that. Okay, now the jumper has been moved. So it's on the left, which means go. So I got a song loaded, and we're going to go ahead and move the fader to the left. Hey, look at that, it's working. Beautiful. We're going to put another song on the right side. Let's move the fader to the right. Perfect. Okay, now we are doing great. The final steps, I'll be calibrating it, following these instructions for calibrating it, and also some minor adjustments to get it perfectly. And that's it. So, Inno Fader, got it off of Amazon. You could check online if you're trying to get one of these to replace your dead crossfader. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos like this.